Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis offers to set up Indo-Israel Industrial Park in Maharashtra. And Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi to embark on Padayatra in Maharashtra from 30th of April. Thank you, Rukma, and good evening to Metro Scan from Mumbai. Now let's see the news in detail. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis is on a 3-day visit to Israel to explore possibilities of collaboration in various fields including agriculture and crisis management, where it has an expertise, and to attract investment in the state. Devendra Fadnavis and Tel Aviv Mayor Ron Udlai agreed to cooperate in building smart cities and explore the Indian IT potential to increase efficiency of smart urban solution after holding wide-ranging talks. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has offered to set up an Indo-Israel Industrial Park in Maharashtra, saying the collaboration will help take the bilateral ties to the next level. Besides creating a wonderful ecosystem for the community at large, Fadnavis said that Mumbai is the financial capital of India, but it has the potential to become global financial center, and state government has started an initiative to develop Mumbai into a global financial center. Department of Financial Services Secretary Hasmukh Adhia today held a meeting to review stress project in 4 major sectors including power, port, steel and road. R.N. Chaubey, Special Secretary of Power, said that auction for the gas-based power plants will be held on 5th May. Also, another round of coal block auction is to happen soon. He added the issue of 65,000 megawatt of coal-based power projects sorted out. The amendment bill for the Electricity Act is also in process. He added that they expect significant improvement in power sector through the separation of carriage and content in the Electricity Act. Arundhati Bhattacharya, chairman of SBI, said that unbundling of the Electricity Act will make everyone efficient, adding that such fruitful meeting gives confidence. The meeting was discussed with the public sector banks, Power Finance Corporation and Rural Electrification Corporation.
Total of 85 projects were reviewed today in the meeting, and the total amount outstanding in this 85 projects by the banks and financial institutions is about 351,000 crore.
Power projects worth 65,000 megawatt capacity has got coal block, has won coal blocks in the auctions which have already been conducted.
Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi will start nationwide movement through Padayatra starting from 30th of April from Maharashtra. Rahul Gandhi will begin his Padayatra from Gunji village of Amravati district. Later, Rahul Gandhi will visit Solapur, Chandrapur, Ramangao, Ranjana and Tonglabad. Rahul will also walk for at least 15 to 18 kilometers a day on an average during the Padayatra. While addressing the media, Maharashtra Congress State President Ashok Chavan today said that the central and the state government is insensitive over the farmers' suicide issue, and to draw attention towards this issue of farmers, Rahul Gandhi will hold Padayatra.
Congress Vice President is visiting these areas. This will be around total 175 kilometers of journey, in which around 15 kilometers will be through Padayatra. He will be walking around and meeting the number of villages on the way, and especially those people who have been affected by their family members committing suicide.
SEBI is hopeful of taking call in the next 6 months of the listing of nation's premier bourses BSE after the integration of the capital market watchdog with the commodities regulator Forward Market Commission, that is FMC. SEBI Chairman UK Sinha said that at the sidelines of the seminar on Investment Outlook 2015. He added that SEBI is hopeful that in about 6 months from now, SEBI will be able to take a call on listing of BSE after resolving several issues pertaining to the integration of SEBI and the FMC.
Issues around that whether and also the current exchanges in the securities market, since commodity futures are going to be defined as securities, they can also technically demand and be eligible for trading in the commodity futures. So there are a whole lot of issues which are still unresolved, but my feeling is that in a period of about 6 months from now, we will be able to take a final call on these matters.
Sinha further added that SEBI is reaching out to small investors to help them raise capital. Sinha also said that domestic flows in market are positive after a gap of 5 years. SEBI chairman further said that to simplify KYC process, SEBI will come out with electronic KYC norms soon. And Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis yesterday stated that many people are rescued and safely returned to Maharashtra, while around 1,000 people from the state are reported safe in Nepal. He also informed that no casualties of tourists from the state have been reported so far. State government is in touch with the Ministry of External Affairs and National Disaster Management Authority. He further added that 150 people from Maharashtra have reached Delhi and state government officers are assisting for lodging and further travel. Meanwhile, few residents of Thane expressed their experience to Doordarshan who have returned from Nepal recently.
पूरे लोग यहाँ वहाँ चिल्ला चिल्ला के दौड़ रहे थे, तो वहाँ पे तो पैनिक सिचुएशन थी ही, मगर हम लोग थोड़ा सा ये देख रहे थे कि चलो ठीक है, जो है अभी कम हो रहा है, ठीक है, लोग स्टेबल हो रहे हैं। हम लोग पूछ रहे थे क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, वो भी लोग बोल रहे थे कि अभी तक इतना ज्यादा ये अर्थक्वेक हुआ नहीं है, हम लोगों को भी अभी पता नहीं चल रहा है, मगर हुआ है, अर्थक्वेक ही हुआ है, मगर वहाँ पे जो सिचुएशन थी उससे हम लोग बहुत डर गए थे।
तो इंडिगो ने हमको खबर किया कि सामान दिया कि सामान, और हमको बोला कि आप अपना देखिए और हम फ्लाइट के फेयर्स आपको सब रिफंड कर देंगे। तो लेकिन फॉर्चुनेटली मेक माई ट्रिप पे हमारी कोई होटल में बुकिंग किया था, हम लोग गए वहाँ होटल, जब यहाँ से निकले तो टैक्सी नहीं मिल रही थी, कैसे भी करके एक टैक्सी मिली, टैक्सी वाले ने छोड़ा वहाँ पे, होटल देखते तो होटल में भी पूरा क्रैक आया हुआ था और होटल में कोई नहीं, ठीक है, हमारा चेक इन किया, बोला भैया हम तो अंदर नहीं जाएंगे, सामान रख लीजिए आपके लॉबी में, तो सब लोग होटल के बाजू में ग्राउंड पे बैठे हुए थे।
And that's all we had in this edition of the Metro Scan from Mumbai. But we'll be back tomorrow evening with some latest update. Till then, goodbye. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis offers to set up Indo-Israel Industrial Park in Maharashtra. And Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi to embark on Padayatra in Maharashtra from 30th of April. Thank you, Rukma, and good evening to Metro Scan from Mumbai. Now let's see the news in detail. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis is on a 3-day visit to Israel to explore possibilities of collaboration in various fields including agriculture and crisis management, where